Coming up, we'll take you on a quick tour of Marriott's Beachplace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Beachplace Towers is considered an urban timeshare located in the heart of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Given its small footprint, most of the amenities are located on the lobby level. Let's start out and check out the lobby. As you've been seeing here, they have a pretty amazing saltwater aquarium. There's the marketing desk, probably a place you want to avoid if you don't want to get roped into a sales presentation. They also have complimentary computers available for guest use. As we take a look at the comfortable seating areas available in the lobby, if you're new here and want to see more villa tours, timeshare tips, resort reviews, and industry news, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Unfortunately, they had the doors locked to the outside due to bad weather, so I was unable to get any video from the pool area except for this that I was able to see through the windows. Beachplace Towers also has a Marketplace Express where they serve Starbucks coffee. They also have a pretty good supply of food items and sundries. However, it will cost you a lot more here than if you were to check out the 24-hour CVS located in the Beachplace Mall. It's only a few minute walk from the Beachplace Towers lobby. Now let's check out the fitness center, everything you'd need to stay in shape during your vacation. I don't show them in this video, but there are also men's and ladies' locker rooms located through doors just off the fitness center. Now let's head up to the 19th floor for the fantastic guest lounge. The lounge has two large seating areas, each with a large couch and huge flat-screen TV. This is a great place to come and relax, watch some television, and enjoy the company of your fellow owners and guests, inside or even outside on the large patio at Marriott's Beachplace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And until next time, let's explore new destinations in a timeshare.